Hi, we are going to discuss question number 12 on CAPM. Enjoy.
So okay, now you are given these questions. Alright, and then question A asks you to find the betas of the two stocks. In order to find beta, you have to understand the definition of beta. It is what is the stock's sensitivity towards the market's return. So in this case, alright, mathematically beta is equivalent to the change in stock return divided by change in market return. Alright, now for beta A, okay, it is basically this one divided by this one. So it is 2 minus 32, okay, divide by 5 minus 20, and here you will get beta for stock A is 2. Alright, what about beta for stock D? Here it is the difference between these stocks divided by the difference between market return. Okay, here it is 3.5 minus 14 and divide by 15 minus 20, and here you will get 0.7. Okay, 0.7 and 2. So which stock has the high okay, this question is not asked, but if you are asked which stocks that gives you a higher risk, so you can say that stock A gives you the higher risk. Right? For question B, it asks what is the expected return on each stock. Expected return on each stock. If the market return is equally likely to be 5% or 20%. Okay, the main point here, main clue here is equally likely. So you know that for expected return A, you are given two figures here. However, as question indicates that it is equally likely, so basically you just have to take the average. So 2 plus 32 divide by 2, so you will get 17% for A, and E for R, expected return for defensive stock, it's 3.5 plus 14 divided by 2, you should get here 8.75%. Okay, alright. If the T-bill rate is 8%, okay, so T-bills basically is a risk-free asset, and it is given that its return is 8%. Okay, and the market return is equally likely. Market return is equally likely to be 5% or 20%. Draw the SML for this economy. So here you need to draw SML. Okay, for SML, the axis here is beta. Okay, and here is expected return. Alright, now you are given T-bills rate. It means that T-bills rate 8% is equivalent to beta equal to 0 because it is risk free. So if beta is 0, So T bills, let's put here 8%. Okay, now you have another two points that you can get. The first one is stock from stock A just now. Okay, remember stock A. Stock A says that here the beta is 2. And when beta is 2, the expected return is 17. So let's say this is 1, this is 2. Okay, and let's plot this one as 17. So we got the data plot for A here. Okay, and another one, D, the beta is 0.7. Okay, and then the stock is 8.75. 0.7, let's say 0.5, let's say we put 0.7 here. This is 1, 0.7, and here is 8.75, let's say. So it's here D. So basically here's the plot of your SML. Okay, alright, now the equation. So now let's write down the equation. So you know that the equation for CAPM is ERS equivalent to T bills RFR 8% plus beta RM here minus the 8% RFR. So the question is, what is the RM here? So remember the question just now, the clue is market is equally likely, right? So you go back to the market return figures that was given earlier, that is 20 and 5 just now. Take the average, means that 20 plus 5 divided by 2, it will give you 12.5. Okay, so basically here, if beta is 1, alright, beta is 1, okay, so you will get the figure here. Okay, alright. So here is the market one. So this is your SML. Okay. Next, plot the two securities on the SML graph. What are the alphas of each? Well, you have already have this one. Okay. Right. NE, hurdle rate. What hurdle rate? Okay, it means that it should be in percentage, right? Should be used by the management of aggressive firm for a project with risk character of the defensive firm stock. Okay, so basically what you want to find is the risk of return for a project that has risk like defensive. Now let me write it down. You want to find the rate of return, okay, for a project that has risk character of D. Okay, so here you find ERS, okay, take this one, 8% plus, okay, because we have risk of character of D, so we go back to D's now. Here 0.7, okay, 0.7, 12.5 minus 8, okay, so we should get the answer here. Okay, alright, so that is all for question number 12.